prohibited within the city limits and its extraterritorial jurisdiction. We're not doing any of that. I know you don't want to talk about enforcement, but if you look at our current sign ordinance, yeah, it's a joke. And I wonder what we've created in this mess. We are small businesses too, and you have addressed some concerns we have. And as the last gentleman said, there's a lot of small businesses that are going to be affected, and you have not taken them into consideration. There are 29 new car dealers listed in the Amarillo phone book. There are 168 used car dealers. The average used car dealer probably employs about 5 people. I don't have time to go get a permit when I want to put a banner up. You've addressed many things, but there is so much minutia in this that many things have gone unaddressed. And I don't believe that it has been studied thoroughly enough to act on it today. I do appreciate the consideration you've given the car dealers, but we wanted those special considerations. I came about this issue because I've opened a new business and want to put up a sign. My concern is for all those empty business on Georgia. If you haven't looked at those, drive down Georgia. I'd like to see banners, pennants, signs, flags, and anything flying again in front of those businesses. And I think you are suppressing their ability to come into town and grow. You may be able to address and grandfather in people and keep people out of this meeting room. I don't have enough employees. I didn't as a franchise dealer, I won't as a used car dealer. I think that you have overlooked a lot of minutia. Look up the definition. It is exactly that. And it is encumbering on business, and I want us to keep the attitude that we still are a business community, business-oriented community. I think this needs looked at broadly and in more detail. Yes, I tore it apart, and I came and talked to you, but I believe if everybody was exposed to what's in here, you'd have a lot more people lined up outside. Thank you.
Let me